Hi, here's Andrea from Berlin, Germany. And I believe that I'm the person you are looking for. There are many reasons, here are few. I am an urban planner and real estate manager with a long working experience. One point in my job is to communicate with a lot of people. I think that is one skill you are looking for. And I love Australia. I visited Australia already twice. First time I rode by motorbike from Melbourne up to Ayers Rock, Uluru and back along the Oodnadatta track. Very dusty but big fun. 2006 I came again to Australia, bought a car and traveled along the east coast. I like to explore new areas. I'm interested in wildlife and the ecological situation of your area. And, I think that is very important, I'm curious. I like outdoor activities and sports, sailing, diving, playing golf and hiking. Hope to hear from you in Down Under.